Fall is coming, and what does fall make you think of? Bluebonnets and spring wildflowers? No, probably not, but you should be thinking about it. Let me tell you why. You see, if you want to have those beautiful spring wildflowers and bluebonnets, you actually probably should be planting them in the late summer and fall because in the natural life cycle of those flowers, if you think about it, they come up and they bloom in the spring or late spring, and then they turn into seed. And then as the summer progresses, those seeds dry up, they mature, and then they fall to the ground. And it's not till those fall rains come that they actually start germinating. And then a lot of those wildflowers will germinate in the fall, grow all winter long, and then they don't bloom into the following spring. So yeah, now that we are getting into that season of late summer and early fall, you need to be picking up your wildflower and bluebonnet seeds. And we do have them in stock. We got a good shipment in from Native American Seeds and some other companies. So yeah, come on by and get those seeds or go to your local retailer close to you and grab those wildflower seeds.